I remember my very first day at university in Essen, and they were giving us a speech about how our design studies are going to be. And the main focus was how incredibly hard we will have to work to be successful on the journey that we are going to go on. I felt it was exaggerated to a point that I wasn't taking it serious at the time. They were telling us that there will be no time for hobbies, no time for family and friends and girlfriends, that we will breathe, think, and live design 24/7. Which, in hindsight, I mean, I have to agree with the fact that studying car design and being a car designer and trying to get a job in car design is hard work and extremely competitive. But I don't think it's ever been to the level that it takes over your entire life, and you can't have fun alongside becoming a car designer. So I think one thing I have to say is that work hard, but don't forget to have fun alongside it. Don't lose your passion for it, because a lot is about passion, especially in design. It's a creative field, so don't lose your passion. Especially with your fellow students. Yeah, I think as a group together, you push yourself to reach higher levels. It's obviously what you can learn from your tutors and from your course leaders or guest lecturers, but ever so more is what you can learn from each other, if that makes sense. Because as a group, you each push each other further, strive for the next level, and you will have a natural level of competition within your class, which I think you should embrace. I think you should be always open. I think there's tendencies in design to maybe hide away and keep ideas to yourself, or competition can push it to a point where you start maybe closing up a little bit. I don't think there's any value in that. I think the more you can exchange and share your ideas and brainstorm with others, I think the better you will be. Try to engage with as many other ways of thinking and perspectives as you can. Try to explore within your school, share your ideas with different students from different courses, and just expose yourself to as much learning and different viewpoints as you can. I think viewpoints, because every single perspective will obviously give you something, and you will learn something. Don't take everything as truth. It's a very subjective matter, car design, and I think you always need to reflect on what's my personal opinion, what's somebody else's opinion, what's fact, right? The lines can blur a lot, especially in design, and everybody will have an opinion on what you're doing. So I think it's important to stay true to yourself, focus on your vision, and try to separate fact from opinion